Hello everyone, myself 𝔾-𝕄𝔸𝕋 and you are watching my YouTube channel 𝔸ℂℚ𝕼𝒀𝒻 की दुनिया. So today we learn how to create Gmail account. So let's start. So now we have to open Google Chrome, and now on the top right you can see here is written Gmail. So click on it, and now again click on create an account. When you will click on create an account, you will get two options. First for myself, second to manage my business. So click on for myself, and now here you have to write your first name, for example Aditya, and last name Singh. And now here you have to write your username, which will be your Gmail ID, and you have to write here unique username which does not match from any other. And now here you have to write your password, and same password you have to write here. And now click on next. And now here you have to write your phone number to verify the code. So I'm writing my mobile number. And now click on next. So this is my verification code. After writing verification code, click to verify. And now if you have any other email, so write on it. If you don't have, so no need to fill it. Now go to next. Now you have to write here your month, day and year. This was your date of birth. So now you have to write here your gender. So I will choose male, and now click on next. And now you have to click on yes, I am in. And now scroll down, and after scrolling you have to click on I agree. And now your mail has created. Now click on next. Again click on next. So here your mail has created,